Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if this is your first time here, then welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything going forward. Today we are making chicken and broccoli Chinese takeout style. So we're getting started just as usual with some chicken breast, and the key here to getting the restaurant quality or style chicken and broccoli is just being patient with your chicken breast and cutting it really nice and thin. So I'll show you guys right here just exactly how thin I mean. If you have a really sharp knife, this is the best time to go ahead and use that. If you're using a dull knife, this might not be so easy or may take you longer. So I'll just show you some of those odd shapes that you may see in your Chinese food that you're worrying. Or I know for me, at least, I'll say for a long time I did not eat chicken and broccoli because I was like, when I cook chicken at home, it just doesn't do that. So no, like, I don't know what this is and I can't. But in recent years, research and all that jazz, I figured it on out. So I just want to show you guys the technique and why your chicken comes looking that way, in case you were concerned. Maybe you weren't, but I know I was. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of the cutting up of my chicken breast, and then we'll go ahead and season up. So here is my bowl with all my chicken breast all sliced up, and I have the seasonings I used there. Here I'm adding some salt, some granulated garlic, and then I'm going to just go ahead and also add some white pepper. And after my white pepper, I'll add in just some water because we want to allow this to marinate for a while before we actually add the cornstarch, which is what gives it that texture. Like, have you guys never been, is it just me? Let me know in the comments if it's just me, or if you've ever thought, why is it this texture? So I let that marinate for an hour. And then after I let that marinate here, I went ahead and add my cornstarch there. I'll put the measurements down in the description. And I add some oil as well to my mixture. And then you'll see now that there's this white kind of paste going on the chicken. And once more, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside. And in the meantime, I have my big pot of water here, which I've added my broccoli to. You're only going to cook your broccoli for about 1 to 2 minutes, no longer than that, guys. I mean, I don't know. It's up to you. But that's how long I did mine. And then here I have my chicken ready to go. As I said, I set that to the side just in the same water. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken directly to the water. And I'm just going to slowly push it so I separate my chicken a little, but not enough to just immediately take off all the cornstarch. Because, again, we're trying to achieve that texture. We're going for restaurant style. We don't need to go to the Chinese restaurant no more. Okay? Period. So here's my chicken after it's been cooked, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this all out. I was making a really large batch, so I didn't record all of this because it was a little bit of a process, just taking everything out, but that's what I'm doing. And right up after this, our next step is going to be to get our sauce together. So you see our chicken here completed, and now I'm just going to go ahead and put my brown sauce right into the pot, and we're going to begin cooking that. I'll have a separate video on how to make this brown sauce. This video is just strictly on how to actually cook the dish. So after my brown sauce is heated, you see it's there coming to a boil. In this little bowl here, I have some cornstarch and some water, making a slurry there, which is going to act as the thickening agent in our brown sauce, because the brown sauce alone will just be a watery consistency. So that's what you use the cornstarch for. You could also use potato starch. So that's how my brown sauce looks. And now to that, I simply need to add my chicken, add my broccoli, and toss it up. And some sesame oil. Here you go. You see me add that there, some sesame oil. And then I'm just going to go ahead, toss it up. I got my white rice cooking on the side. There'll be a video for that as well, if you guys need to see that. And that's it, guys. It's a really, really simple dish to cook, actually. And you see me here stirring it all up. So I'll put the measurements in for a normal size dish. I had to go ahead and make some extra brown sauce on the side just because I was making such a large quantity. You guys may not be cooking as much. So again, I'm going to leave the measurements for making like a standard size of this dish. I was cooking for all my friends. So, yeah, that's why I had to end up, cooking some more sauce on the side. But again, it follows the brown sauce recipe, adding that slurry, and boom. So here it was, plated up. I also made some Chinese chicken, which you can find on this channel as well. Thank you. Let me know how this went for you guys down in the comments below. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. And as always, thank you guys for stopping by.